Man, I'm so bored. What should I do today? I got it. I'm going to destroy a garage door at Pep Boys by using my magic wand. Yes, I destroyed a garage door at Pep Boys. Yes, I destroyed a garage door at Pep Boys. Yes, I destroyed a garage door at Pep Boys. Now to run away before anyone finds out about this.
When Posie got home.
Man, I'm so glad that no one found out about the garage door incident at Pep Boys. Nothing can ruin my day.
Posie, come downstairs immediately. We need to have a word with you.
Uh-oh, it looks like my parents found out about the garage door incident at Pep Boys. I'm in so much trouble now.
Posie, we recently heard that you destroyed a garage door at Pep Boys. Is this true?
Well, you're going to be so furious when I tell you, but yes, I destroyed a garage door at Pep Boys because I was bored.
Posie, we can't believe you destroyed a garage door at Pep Boys. Now we have to pay a lot of money to get a new garage door for Pep Boys. Thanks to you.
I strongly agree with your father. You are grounded for the rest of the month. Go to your room right now.
Bye.